Hi everyone, this is Miss Susan from the Free Library of Northampton Township. I'm here again for another week of math fun. This week we're going to talk about spy games, where we are on a spy mission that requires your math skills like keen observation, logic, prediction, and problem solving to solve our secret mission. So go to our website, print out the packet for this week, and let's get started. This first sheet is just outlining some of the activities that we're going to be doing. Our first activity is I Spy Geometry. So in here we're going to be on a spy hunt, a shape hunt rather, to look for shapes around our house. So to start, I just made a quick sketch of some of the shapes that I'm going to be looking for. Circle, a triangle, quadrilateral has 4 sides, pentagon has 5 sides, hexagon has 6 sides, and octagon has 8 sides. So I went on my shape hunt, and some of the things that I found. I have a block, the shape of a triangle. I found some Post-it notes. That's definitely a quadrilateral or a square. I found, I don't know if you guys remember, your wooden train days, but this one has 6 sides. A 6-sided shape is called a hexagon. So that's a neat hexagon shape I found. I'm sure y'all can find a penny. Penny is obviously a circle. And we have a Pokemon box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. Remember that the sides don't have to be of equal length. This is definitely an octagon, even though it doesn't have sides of equal length. So go look around your house to see what kind of shapes that you have found. And this is also interesting to find out. Pick 3 shapes, count how many sides, and count how many vertices. Vertices is the point that 2 sides will meet. So in a triangle, for instance, I have 1, 2, 3 sides. I also have 1, 2, 3 vertices. All right, my next activity is I Spy a Fish Graph. So you're going to look on this graph, all the different kinds of fish. We're going to count those fish, and you're going to make a bar graph. And out of that bar graph, you're going to analyze or answer questions about some of the data that you collected. So let's look at A. A is this type of striped fish. So I'm going to look at my picture here, and I'm going to find all those striped fish. Okay, did I miss any? I hope not. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 striped fish. So first we're going to count, and then we're going to go over here, and then you're going to color in those squares. And you can use, I use markers, but you can use crayons or even pencil. And then you're going to continue for each type of these fish. You're going to make a bar graph, and then answer some questions about what you have the most of, what you have the least of, what's fewer or more than something else. And you're going to make some statistical data about your fish. The next activity is a secret code. And we're going to be using our addition and subtraction to solve this secret code. The first one's done for you. 5 plus 4 equals 9. We go down here. 9 is I. So I put I in my graph. The next one is 11 plus 1. 11 plus 1 is 12, right? So I'm going to go down here, find 12. I see an L, so I'm going to put an L right here. I continue on and find out your secret code. I actually think there's two codes there. And at the end, you can make up a code that you can have a friend or a family member try to discover. So for in this case, I'm going to say library. I want someone to find that secret code. So to find L, I need the answer to be 12. So what addition or subtraction of 9 plus 3? That's going to give me an L. For I need 9, so let's try a subtraction, and so on. Come up with your own secret code and have somebody discover using your math skills. The next activity is a logic puzzle. Here we're going to do like a process of elimination to find the answer. I'll help you with the first one and then you can continue on the second one. Here's place value riddle. I am greater than 52 tens. 52 tens is 520, right? So I am greater than 520. So we're going to eliminate anything that's the opposite of that. What's not greater than 520? So we're going to eliminate that one. And we're going to eliminate that one. I'm eliminating anything that does not meet that question. I am less than half of 1200. That's going to be 600. So I'm less than 600. So we're going to eliminate anything that's the opposite. I'm going to eliminate things that are greater than 600. And so on. So go ahead and continue on to all of the clues to find out who am I, who solves that riddle. My last one, my last one is called Diffie. This is a great puzzle to show somebody else. It is fun to see if you can get somebody else to solve this. What you're going to do is choose 3 numbers in the 3 circle corners, any numbers you like. So I'm going to do, let's do 50, let's do 15, let's do 60, and let's do 20. Okay, try to make them a little bit easier because we're going to be subtracting. So the squares on the outside, you're going to be subtracting the 2 circles that it connects to. So 50 minus 20, you're going to subtract the smaller number from the larger number. So 50 minus 20 is 30. 50 minus 15 is 35. 60 minus 15 is 45. I'm sorry. 60 minus 20 is 40. There you go. All right. And then we're going to go on and we're going to subtract the 2 squares to get the circle. 40 minus 30 is 10. 35 minus 30 is 5. 45 minus 35 is 10. And 45 minus 40 is 5. We're going to subtract one more time. 5. And then when we subtract the inner circles, I get 0. So my challenge to you is pick different numbers. Have someone else pick numbers. Can you get to that inner circle without getting 0? Please let me know if you do, because I've been trying this all day and I keep getting zeros. Thank you very much for being here on our Math Fun Spy Day, and we'll see you next week for some more math fun. Have a great week.